I've bought a Creality Ender3 version 2 3D printer, and I've unpacked it and set it up and started printing one of the sample prints that comes on the SD card that's included. It's a small dog sitting on what looks like a biscuit, but it seemed to print okay, and this little bit of clip now is sped up 4 times because that little print took over an hour to print, and I was quite impressed with the quality at the end of it. This is it just finishing off, and again, the last little bit there is 4 times, and that's it, just finishing the print now, and it fires the plate out the front when it stops. There's a still shot of the little dog. It was something to give the grandkid. He was more interested in food than his little toy dog, but that's okay. So then we were looking at what else I can do. The Z-axis motor has a lead screw that's just unsupported at the top there, and so on Thingiverse I found this knob that I printed out, and it's printed okay. There was an up and down logo on the top that didn't print very well. And then this is the STL file of a bearing block that supports that under that knob, and it printed pretty well also up on its edge. I was surprised how it didn't need any support material, and it printed pretty dimensionally accurate, and it turned out it fitted the aluminium extrusion tube quite well. There's again a still photo of it, and it had it was keyed to fit into the T-slots and secure with existing screws. There's the T-slot connections on it. Now, it was designed to have a skateboard bearing fitted in it, so I printed out one, and it had 2 smaller internal diameters, so I printed out a second one with a larger internal diameter. Then I pressed the 2 bits together, and there's the knob and the bearing block sitting up on the machine. So that's just another shot of the front of it with the drawer missing. So that was all very good.